guys, what is up? I'm about to, once I hit 130 subscribers, I'm about to do a 130 subscribers Q&A, and I'll get no comments probably. So, I'm about to do some burps and talk because this one dude requested me to talk in my
I'll give
burps.
you questions to answer.
I can't talk that well. I said hi, but
Hey Tara, say something like cool.
like what?
Say your mom. Say what?
Oh, I can't do this that well.
It's like do a huge burp and then do it.
I can't talk in huge burps. This is pretty shitty, guys. Sorry.
No, Tara, stop. Get water, drink it, and then burp.
No.
That's what helps you burp.
This is a terrible burp video.
That's what do a mega burp.
Sometimes I'm stuck in. Oh, I need to stand up.
Do it.
I can't talk that well. Sorry, dude. Whoever commented, I can't talk that well.
I'm asking her stupid questions. Tara, where do you live?
I could basically only say cuss words literally.
What color is your hair? I haven't seen it yet. So you white or black? Tara, say your mom.
Okay, I'm terrible when I suck in that way.
Oh yeah, Taryn.
Okay, that was terrible. Oh my gosh. I'm just.
After all that, just a little squeak.
This is terrible!
It's like your first burp. You're like, hey, can I get these burps? This is burp me.
Okay, I'm done.
Taryn,
Please
introduce
like.
them to the TMX. Please subscribe to our TMX Shops video.
Since I'm not gonna link in the description this time because I already did last time. Actually, I'm already.
Taryn,
But check it out. Peace. Subscribe.